try it. Oh.
That's really nice to him.
Oh.
Frost. Whoa, like that, like that.
Ngã xuống, chuột đừng đi nhảy nè, nhảy.
Friends, call me Matthew. Ciao. Okay, so we are ready for the cooking class. Today we learn about the Vietnamese food. Let's do it.
Strong smell. Bathroom. You go to bathroom. Follow me.
Why are you laughing?
Looks like a dream.
Whatever you want to have decoration.
We can do that. We can do that.
No, easy.
We can do that, guys.
We can do it. Yeah.
So 10% at the beginning and after?
You just work your way down.
Yeah, but you have to cut
Yeah, the top.
the top,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Cool.
Why? Yours looks so good. Look at mine. Oh, yours.
Will change.
Thank you. I have a crayon now.
Oh. Frost.
Frost.
This was this no.
Pepper, all for everything.
Not a good lesson. I want
Yeah, ginger.
So he said 111. Yeah, 1115 for everything, 1115 for everything, and 222 for everything. Thank you so much, huh?
Oh.
1 or 2?
Two.
Okay, that is unbalanced. No, sit there, have a... Wow.
I love this music, bro.
Yeah, it's
I
good.
love
Man.
this
Good
vibe.
stuff.
Two spoon here.
Now we have a four. And then we roll. And after that we deep fry. Bánh tráng giòn trứng. Sẽ tác gì mình. And one frame. And then we roll. 221. 221, and after that we deep fry.
Cool, let's make it. Let's make it. Just 2 pork, 1 shrimps, and just roll, bro.
24 times.
Whoa, that's perfect. Hey, mommy.
You know exact same thing. Yeah.
And put the chicken.
Thank you.
Yeah. And you pay later.
What do we have here? Spring roll.
Bro, I'm gonna do a bit.
How is it?
So good.
Behind the scene.
Yeah? All good? Next up, what's that?
Let's film. Let's film each other.
Only
I made some friends.
This is chicken
Pretty
salad.
rare. I met some friends. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy too.
He doesn't have any friends. It's really sad. So we kind of felt bad. So we're being nice to him.
Okay, so you're not my friend.
And? Good?
Not my friend.
All the flavors?
Delicious.
How do you do in Italy?
I feel good. Hey, let's do it.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
On camera. Am I going to make the cut?
Wow.
It's really good. Really, really good.
Delicious, huh?
Pretty fucking good.
Delicious,
Very
huh?
good.
So good. My G, what do you think about
My G, I'm crying.
Why?
It's spicy.
One bowl rice flour and one bowl corn flour all together.
Like, what's your favorite dish? That's just like
2 bowls. And curcuma, turmeric powder, you put 1 teaspoon.
Chunks like
And spring onion.
cheese that doesn't
9,
and
4,
put some sauce.
5,
You can add
6,
bacon, onion,
7,
whatever.
8, 9, 10. Water the same. Water the same. Same.
Yeah, I know it. I know it. Okay, I know her.
Little bit more.
Okay, yeah. Content, brother, content.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Whoa, like that. Yeah, let's flex it.
Yeah, I thought I said everybody before. How about men? Not cow.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Go! Go!
Not good with chopstick.
I want to see this vlog. Like, I'm gonna look at it on repeat if I have a bad day. It's so funny.
I can't wait too.
Smash?
What is mash?
What is it's an
Oh yeah, no, it's English. She's English though. I say British, I don't really know why, but yeah, she's.
That's my favorite.
I'm from we met in Nice.
Really.
No, you like the
Bash. I hope that YouTube don't stop me for the copyright because I love this moment.
I do sometimes all the time. I would know it.
We are here again.
Even a 5-5.
Feliz.
Hey, boo, 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 boo.
Two people for one boat, okay? 2 for 1.
Which one is the most crazy? Maybe he's crazy. Maybe he's crazy.
Nhảy xuống, chuột đừng đi nhảy nè. Nhảy.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah. Oh my God, man.
Yeah. What's your name?
What's your name? C.
See.
C.
Like see, like yes.
Oh.
Like yes.
Hey,
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Okay, these guys wanna hear Gangnam Style. Hey.
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Sing.
Oh, Gangnam Style.
Back, quack, chicken.
Gangnam Style.
Oh, let's go. Salahe.
Hai ba yo.
Hai ba yo. Hello. Ow. Xin chào. Hello. Xin chào.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 거리시기도 전에 원샷되는 사람 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 사람 그런 사람해
Gangnam Style. Oh yeah.